Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to look at the number of emails sent feature on BEI. This feature allows you to see how many follow-up emails have been sent to your customers against different invoices. Here we can see before you send out your follow-up emails, the number of emails sent field remains empty. Once you've sent out your dunning emails, to see how many emails have been sent, enable the Show Only Emailed Invoices checkbox and click on Search. Here we can see the number of emails sent for each respective customer invoice. From the number of emails sent drop-down field, we can filter customer invoices based on the count of emails sent. Here I'm going to select count 3. This will filter invoices against which 3 emails have been sent. I'm then going to click on Search. Here we can see customer invoices with a count of 3 under the number of emails sent field. From the number of emails sent drop-down field, we can also filter customer invoices against which more than 5 follow-up emails have been sent. I will do this by selecting 5+ and then clicking on Search. Here we can see invoices against which more than 5 emails have been sent from BEI. So this is how we can see number of emails sent from BEI.